In this video, we are going to learn how to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Here is the first example: 4237 divided by 11. We can't divide 11 from 4, so combine the first two digits. 42 by 11. How many 11s are there in 42? If you don't know the multiplication table of 11, just assume a number and verify it by the normal multiplication. For example, here we know that 1 into 11 is 11, 2 into 11 is 22. If you don't know 3 into 11, just multiply that. 11 into 3 is 33. Now go with 4. 11 into 4 is 44. Here we need to divide 42 by 11. So there is no 42 in 11th table. So take a number just below 42. That is 33. Here 11 into 3 gives you 33. So write 3 on the top. Now 3 into 11 is 33. Write 33 below 42. Now subtract it. 42 minus 33 gives you 9. 9. Bring down the next number, that is 3. While you bringing down, it will become 93. Now how many 11s are there in 93? Just assume a number. Firstly, let us multiply with 7. 11 into 7 is 77. 11 into 8 is 88. 11 into 9 is 99. From these two results, we understood that there is no 93 in 11th table. So take a number just below 93, that is 88. 11 into 8 gives you 88. So write 8 on the top. 8 into 11, 88. Now subtract 93. Subtract 88 from 93, that is 5. Now bring this 7 down. So it will become 57. Now how many 11s are there in 57? We already know that 11 into 4 is 44. 11 into 5 is 55. 11 into 6 is 66. So there is no 57 in 11th table. So take the number just below 57, that is 55. 11 into 5 gives you 55. So take 5 and write it on the top. Now 5 into 11 gives you 55. 57 minus 55 is 2. So this is our answer or quotient 385, and this is reminder 2. Second example: 1121 divided by 12. Firstly, we can't divide 12 from 11. So combine the first three numbers. 112. How many 12s are there in 112? So we already know that 12 into 10 is 120. Just add a 0. When we are multiplying any number with a 10, just add a 0. That is 12 into 10 is 120. So 120 is greater than 112. So check for the other by reducing one number. Here we multiplied with the 10. Now we are multiplying with the 9. 12 into 9 is 108. 108 is less than 112. So this is the number required. So 12 into 9 is 108. So write 9 on the top. 9 into 12 is 108. Subtract 108 from 112. It's 4. Now bring down the 1. Bring down this one. That is, now it will become 41. How many 12s are there in 41? Let's check it. 12 into 3 is 36. 12 into 4 is 48. So 48 is a greater number. So take 36. 12 into 3 gives you 36. So write 3 on the top. 3 into 12, 36. Now subtract 36 from 41. That is 41 minus 36 is 5. So here the answer or quotient is 93 and 5 is the remainder. Third example, 75,812 divided by 70. We know there is only 170 in 75. So write 1 on the top. 1 into 70 is equal to 70. Now 75 minus 70 is 5. Now bring this 8 down. That is, now it's 58. We know 58 is less than 70. So we can't divide. So add a 0 on top, because there is no zeros, no 70s in 58. So we insert a 0 on the top. Now bring this one down. That is 581. How many 70s are there in 581? We know 70 into 10 is 700, because adding a 0 while multiplying with the 10. Here 700 is a number nearer to 581. So multiply with 9. It's 630. Multiplying with 8 gives you 560. Here 560 is a number which is nearer to 581. So write 8 on the top. Now 70 into 8 is 560. Subtract 560 from 581. It's 21. Now bring this 2 down. That is 212. How many 70s are there in 212? We know 70 into 1 is 70. 70 into 2 is 140. So let's check with 70 into 3. It's 210. So write 3 on the top. 3 into 70 is 210. 212 minus 210 is 2. So here the answer 1083. Here is the remainder, it's 2.